Today we are going to discuss about a new topic in mathematics called matrices, which is in your NCERT plus 2 syllabus. Okay. Matrices. It is the plural of the word matrix. Then what is matrix? Matrix is actually a rectangular ordered arrangement of numbers or functions. It is rectangular ordered arrangement of numbers or functions. So rectangular means, let's consider one example. Suppose Arati is a student. She has 8 books, 3 pen and 4 pencils. Another student, Ardra. Suppose she has 7 books, 5 pen and 2 pencils. Now see, this line represents Arati and this line represents Ardra. This line represents books, number of books, and here it is number of pen and here it is number of pencils. See, there are 2 lines which is horizontally and 3 lines vertically. These horizontal lines we call it as rows, and these vertical lines we call it as columns. And we can see that there is a rectangular shape in this arrangement of numbers, and I am putting this in a bracket. So these numbers are arranged in rows and columns and it's in the rectangular form. Here the number of rows are 2. Number of columns 3. So we can say that this rectangular arrangement contains 2 rows and 3 columns. So now we discuss about the arrangement of numbers. Now that is rectangular arrangement. Secondly, there is a word order. What do you mean by order of a matrix, or what is the order? Order means we see that there are 2 rows and 3 columns. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. So number of rows is 2 and number of columns is 3. So we can say that the order of this matrix is 2 into 3, but we read as 2 by 3. The first number represents the number of rows, that is horizontal arrangement, and the second number 3 represents the number of columns, that is number of columns means vertical arrangement. So that is the order of a matrix. So we define a matrix. Matrix is a rectangular, that is it's in the form of a rectangle and ordered. It has an order, that is 2 by 3. Order. What is order of a matrix? Order of a matrix is the number of rows by number of columns. Let's consider a matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. That is of order 3 by 2 order matrix. We usually denote matrices by using capital letters of English alphabet like A, B, C, D, etc. So I am taking a matrix capital A. It's equal to, it's 3 by 2 order matrix. So it should have 3 rows and 2 columns. Okay. Suppose A, B, C, D, E, F. See, there are 3 rows. First row, second row and third row. The number of columns, first column, second column. This is R1, R2, R3. Here C1, C2. How many elements are there in this matrix? There are 6 elements. Its order is 3 by 2. Now we can see there is a relation between the number of elements in the matrix and its order. That is 3 into 2. That is the number of elements in the matrix capital A. So if a matrix, generally we can say that if a matrix is of order m by n matrix has mn elements. M by n matrix has mn elements. So we can define matrix in another way also. That is, an M by n matrix is the rectangular arrangement of mn elements. Rectangular arrangement of mn elements. So M by n matrix is the rectangular arrangement of mn elements. So from this point we are going to take one problem. Suppose a matrix capital A has 18 elements. Capital A has 18 elements. So what are the possible orders the matrix A has? What are the possible order of the matrix? We know that here we see the order of the matrix is 3 by 2. Then the number of elements is 6. If it is 2 by 3, then also the number of elements is 6. If it is a 6 by 1 order matrix, then the number of elements is 6. If it is 1 by 6, then also the number of elements in the matrix is 6. The same way, there are 18 elements right now. Then what are the possible orders indicated? So just find out the factors of 18, or how can we represent the number 18 as the product of two natural numbers. 18, the possible order ways are 18 into 1, or 1 into 18, or 3 into 6, 6 into 3, or 2 into 9, or 9 into 2. These are the possible orders of the matrix having 18 elements. See, 18 into 1 is 18, here 3 into 6 it is 18, here 2 into 9 is equal to 18. It's a very important problem we used to see in entrance exams also. Okay, what is standard form of a matrix? Or how can we represent matrix in standard form? We know that we usually denote matrices using capital letters of English alphabet. And we see that the elements or the numbers or functions in the matrix are called elements. These elements are uniquely represented by Aij. This Aij represent the elements in the matrix. So what about this I and J? I am taking a 4 by 3 order matrix. Suppose A is a 4 by 3 order matrix. Then we know that A have 4 rows and 3 columns. So 4 rows means here 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. Here the columns 1 line, 2 line and 3 line. So there is a number. The first number is the number representing the first row and first column. Number representing first row and first column. So I denote it as A11. 11 means first row, first column. Then second one, A1, 2. That means the row remains the same row, same horizontal line, but the columns changed to 2. So A1, 2. Next, A1, 3. So the columns are over. One first column, second column, and third column. So A11 represent the element in first row, first column. A12 represent element in the first row, second column. A13 represent the element in the first row, third column. The same way, the second row, it is A21. That is A21 represent the element in the second row, first column. A22 means element in the second row, second column, and A23 means second row, third column. Now A31. A31 represent third row, first column. A32 represent third row, second column. A33 represent third row, third column. And finally the fourth row, that is A41, A42 and A43. So we put it in bracket. So we got a rectangular arrangement. Okay. See, here it is 4 by 3 order matrix. So I represent it in this matrix in the standard form as matrix Aij, and we write the order of the matrix here 4 by 3. That means I starts from 1 to 4 and J starts from 1 to 3. So there are 4 rows and 3 columns. I represent the column, sorry, I represent the row and J represent the column. Likewise, we can represent any matrix in standard notation. Okay. Construct a 3 by 2 order matrix whose elements are elements of the form Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. So construct a 3 by 2 order matrix. That means we have to construct a matrix having 3 rows and 2 columns. We know that in standard form it is matrix is the capital A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. Isn't it? This is first row, second row, third row. So number of rows are 3 and columns, first column and second column. So number of columns is 2. So that is the standard form. Now how can we construct the matrix? There is a condition Aij is equal to I plus j by 2. That means if it is A11 means A11 is equal to the element in the first row, first column. Here ith row, jth column. If it is ith row, jth column, then the element is I plus j by 2. So here first row, first column means A11 is equal to element is 1 plus 1 by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2 is equal to 1. Now what about A12? It is 1 plus 2 by 2. That is equal to 3 by 2. Next, second row, A21. That is 2 plus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to 3 by 2. A22. That is 2 plus 2 by 2 is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Last row, A31 equal to 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. A32, that is 3 plus 2 by 2, that is equal to 5 by 2. So we got all the elements. A11 is 1, A12, 3 by 2 like this. So we can construct the matrix as A11, that is 1, A12, 3 by 2, A21, that is again 3 by 2, A22, that is 2, and 31, it is 2, and last 32, it is 5 by 2. So this is the matrix. So construct a 3 by 2. We usually get a question, sir, in this model. Construct a 3 by 2 order matrix or 4 by 3 order matrix or 5 by 2 order matrix. Whatever it is, first we have to write the positions or the elements in this standard form. Then find out by using this rule. Aj is equal to I plus j by 2 is the rule here to determine the elements. So first find out all these elements. Then put it in the exact position. So then we get to the matrix. Okay, that is the construction of matrix. Okay.